गुड मॉर्निंग डियर चिल्ड्रन, नमस्ते। सो आज हम लेने जा रहे हैं इच्छा शक्ति विल्मा रुडोल्फ, चैप्टर नंबर 11 रिविजन. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द रिविजन ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 11 इच्छा शक्ति विल्मा रुडोल्फ. ओके, so this is a story, is a story of Wilma Rudolph. Wilma Rudolph, we have heard this name, and she was a very very famous sprinter. You know what is sprinter? A person who runs very fast, and she took part in 1960 Olympic, in the year 1960, the Olympic of 1960, and she won continuous 3 gold medals. You know that. So let's start it. What is the name of the girl? Wilma Rudolph. Wilma Rudolph. So now here is the story of Wilma Rudolph. When she was what happened, 2.5 years of age when she was born, and when she became 2.5 years of age, she was affected with a disease called polio. विल्मा को क्या हो गया? पोलियो हो गया. 2.5 years मीन्स 2.5 साल की उम्र में. 2.5 साल की उम्र में विल्मा को क्या हो गया? पोलियो हो गया. पोलियो से ग्रस्त हो गई. दैट मीन्स शी वॉज अफेक्टेड विथ पोलियो, एंड 11 वर्ष तक विल्मा बिना ब्रेस के चल नहीं सकी. And when till her 11 years of age, she was using brace. You know what is brace? It is one of the equipment which is used in legs, okay, to make the correct this height of different legs. So the polio people wear that kind of equipment in their leg. It's kind of shoe. It's a kind of shoe, okay, brace, okay. So पर 21 वर्ष की उम्र में 1960 के ओलंपिक में दौड़ी, एंड व्हेन शी वाज 21 years old, having polio, but still she worked hard. Her parents worked hard. Her mother worked hard for her, and when she was 21 years of age, she took part in Olympic in the year 1960, and she ran in that. She was a good sprinter, and she got 3 gold medals, okay. And who was taking care of, who was the doctor of Wilma Rudolph? What is the name of the doctor? Amway. Dr. Amway, okay, Dr. Amway. So Dr. Amway prescribed her to play basketball, and playing her mother also helped her. Her mother supported Wilma Rudolph, and because of her mother's wholehearted support and cooperation and hard work, Wilma was able to run in Olympic, having affected with polio, okay. So 5 साल तक उसका इलाज चल रहा था. शी वॉज ट्रीटेड, एंड हर हॉस्पिटल वॉज वेरी फार अवे. 50 मील दूरी, 50 मील दूर था हर हॉस्पिटल. वेयर वॉज हर हॉस्पिटल? 50 मील दूर, 50 miles away, because it was only the hospital for black people, as Wilma was living in America, but still she was having what to say, problems, differentiate between black and white peoples. So for Wilma, the hospital was very far away, 50 miles away, and her mother has to leave her job to take care of Wilma Rudolph, okay. So what we understood from this, when she was 2.5 years of age, she was affected with a disease called polio. 2.5 years means 2.5 साल. 2.5 साल, जब विल्मा 2.5 साल की थी, उसे पोलियो हो गया. फिर उसकी माँ ने उसकी बहुत देखभाल की. हर मदर टुक केयर ऑफ हर. शी यूज टू टेक हर टू हॉस्पिटल. 50 मील दूर, 50 miles away, she used to take her to hospital for her treatment, and her doctor was Dr. Amway. So Dr. Amway first told that she won't be able to walk, but when she was 11 years of age, she started playing basketball slowly, and looking that doctor was very much excited and happy, and he blessed her that one day she will become a very great runner, okay. Then she was admitted in school. because she was always upset as she can't play with other children and all. So mother admitted her in school, and the school people also, that means her teachers, her principal, everyone supported her, cooperated with her. And in the year 1953 she took part in Antar Vidyalaya Daud Pratiyogita, inter school कॉम्पिटिशन, रेस कॉम्पिटिशन. ओके, अंतर विद्यालय दौड़ प्रतियोगिता में हिस्सा लिया. शी टुक पार्ट इन अंतर विद्यालय दौड़ प्रतियोगिता. अंडरस्टैंड? And for 8 times she was unable to win. That means always she was getting failure 8 times. But the 9th time, what happened? She was able to get run and win the race. Okay, and this way in the year 1960 she was in Olympic, which was held in Rome, and she got 3 gold medals. That is 100-meter दौड़ for 100-meter race, 200-meter race and 400-meter relay. 100-meter दौड़, 200-meter दौड़ और 400-meter रिले में गोल्ड मेडल जीते. सो विल्मा ने कितने गोल्ड मेडल जीते? विल्मा ने 3 गोल्ड मेडल जीते. किस में जीते? 100-meter दौड़, 200-meter दौड़, 400-meter रिले. 100 मीन्स 100, 200 मीन्स 200, 400 means 400 relay. Okay, and Vatan Vapsi par, when she was returned back from getting these 3 gold medals, the Americans, that means the white, everyone was so happy and they welcomed her with a nice treat. Okay, एक भोज समारोह हुआ. भोज समारोह means feast or food ceremony was there. Organized, the Americans organized a food ceremony for her. That time she was more happy than getting a gold medal, because that was the first time when black people and white people were getting together, mingling together. Okay, and विल्मा अपना श्रेय किसे देती है? जीत का श्रेय किसे देती है? विल्मा अपनी जीत का श्रेय अपनी माँ को देती है. She gives her mother her full credit, that because of her only she was able to do all this thing. Okay, and here Vilma is giving one message also, that if we work hard, if we try, we will be able to reach wherever we want to. Okay, so विल्मा किस उम्र में पोलियोग्रस्त हुई थी? क्वेश्चंस. विल्मा किस उम्र में पोलियोग्रस्त हुई थी? विल्मा 2.5 साल की उम्र में पोलियोग्रस्त हुई थी. लिसन दिस वीडियो, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स प्रॉपर्ली. विल्मा किस उम्र में पोलियोग्रस्त हुई थी? विल्मा 2.5 साल की उम्र में. 2.5 साल मीन्स 2.5 years. 2.5 साल की उम्र में. विल्मा का इलाज के लिए कहाँ जाना होता था? विल्मा को 50 मील दूर जाना होता था. शी हैज़ टू गो 50 miles अवे फॉर हर ट्रीटमेंट. विल्मा को इलाज के लिए 50 मील दूर जाना होता था. विल्मा का देश का प्रतिनिधित्व करने का मौका कब प्राप्त हुआ? व्हेन शी गॉट चांस टू represent herself, represent her country in the year 1960. In the year 1960. Okay, ओलंपिक में जीत के बाद विल्मा को अखबारों में किस उपाधि से नवाजा? शी गॉट वन दिस position in newspaper. Newspaper give her one name, and that name is Black Gazelle. What is that? Black Gazelle. Okay, विल्मा अपनी माँ को जीत का श्रेय क्यों देती है? माँ के त्याग ने उसे इस काबिल बनाया. बिकॉज विल्मा अपने जीत का श्रेय किसे देती है? विल्मा अपने जीत का श्रेय अपनी माँ को देती है. ओके, विल्मा अपनी जीत का श्रेय किसे देती है? विल्मा अपनी जीत का श्रेय अपनी माँ को देती है. शी गिव ऑल क्रेडिट टू हर मदर. ओके, सो वतन वापसी पर क्या हुआ? वतन वापसी पर भोज समारोह हुआ. भोज समारोह हुआ. वतन वापसी पर भोज समारोह हुआ. रोम ओलंपिक विल्मा ने किस किस दौड़ में गोल्ड मेडल जीता? इन रोम ओलंपिक विल्मा ने किस किस दौड़ में, विच रेस, इन विच स्प्रिंट शी गॉट गोल्ड मेडल? 100 मीटर दौड़, 200 मीटर दौड़ और 400 मीटर रिले. 100 मीटर रेस, 200 मीटर रेस एंड 400 मीटर रिले शी गॉट गोल्ड मेडल. ओके, विल्मा अपनी ज़िंदगी की सबसे बड़ी जीत किसे मानती है? Which she says that it is a very great victory for her. Which incident? Bhoj Samaro. That food ceremony is a great victory for her in her life, because that day only the black and whites come together to have food. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Now let's learn some opposites. Safalta, opposites, vilom shab. Safalta, asafalta, shwet, ashwet, सहयोग असहयोग, गलत सही, पीछे आगे, जीवन मृत्यु. वंस अगेन, सफलता असफलता, श्वेत अश्वेत, सहयोग असहयोग, गलत सही, पीछे आगे, जीवन मृत्यु. मृत्यु और मरण. I hope you understand this. So just listen this video two, three times. It will be very helpful for you to learn question answers.